Hello guys, today I will be showing you
How to turn on battery saver automatically on Android.
if you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe.
So in order for you to turn on battery saver automatically on Android, what you're going to do is go to your settings and then scroll down, look for battery. Here in battery, you can see different options. Also depends on your phone brands. Here, in order for me to turn on battery saver automatically, I have to go to power saving mode. Here under power saving mode, I can only turn on battery saver automatically, depends on the percentage of my battery. So I can see here different options. If I turn on the at specified battery level, then I can now select a specified battery level. And if I place it at, let's just say, 50% or just 30%, then it will turn on my battery saver automatically. So sometimes it depends on the phone brands, but in my Android, this is how I turn on my battery saver automatically. Some Android phones, they have this specific time, but in my phone, I can only do this if I change or select a specified battery level percentage. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.